Hi everyone, welcome to the weekly review of my Robinhood brokerage account. Balance on the account is $1,482.45. Now let's look at the performance for the past week. It was in the green at 8.01% or $109.90. It has been a while since this portfolio has been in the green for the past week because as we know, the stock market has been extremely volatile, and this portfolio in particular only contains single stocks and crypto, which are two of the most volatile things you can invest in. So for the past month, it's down 17.53% or $315.03. Year to date is down 33.24% or $738.14. And then overall, it's down 30.36% or $646.48. So as you see here, it's still very much in the red significantly, but I'm hoping over the next year or two that it will get into the green and hopefully just skyrocket in terms of gains, but nothing is guaranteed. But I wanted to just bring your attention to the quantum stock that I have. I just have one, and it is QBTS or D Wave Quantum. So as you see here, on Friday in a single day, it was up 47.03% or $3.25, which is absolutely amazing. You see here the return. So I got $52.18 in a single day. And then my total return is 17.51% or $25.39. So if you're wondering, well, why is your total return so low compared to today's return? It's just like what I said before. A lot of these stocks have just been extremely volatile in a negative way in the market. So I'm actually on par. If you look at the year to date for the stock, it's up 17.18%. And my overall, it's up 17.51%. So it's in line actually with how the stock is performing. But this is a quantum stock, and they reported Q4 revenue or client bookings that were significantly higher than projected. So client bookings equal revenue. So the thought, right, or the goal is that they're going to bring in a lot more revenue, and therefore investors were just a lot more confident in terms of how the company will perform. I know Quantum really suffered significantly when NVIDIA's CEO said that we are essentially decades away from this type of technology being useful, but it seems like it rallied on Friday again because of those new client bookings. So just wanted to highlight that because I haven't seen a big jump like this in a single stock in a while, if ever. So hopefully it continues. It'd be great if on Monday or all of next week it jumps like over 100%. But it was nice to finally see one of my positions in the positive, because if we look at some of my other holdings, I'm still very much in the negative. So if we look at, for instance, SoundHound AI, this one, even though it was up 15.99% on Friday, overall, you can see here, I am still in the negative 34.17% overall. Let's look at the year to date. See, year to date, it's still down basically 50%. So I'm actually doing better with my total loss at 34% versus the 50% for Sound AI. And maybe let's just look at one more. If we look at, actually, let me see one that went down pretty bad on Friday. No, not that one. Anyway, okay. So KULR Technology, this is another one that has performed really poorly, but it was up 15.35% on Friday. You see here, even with that somewhat significant increase in a single day, I'm still down 67.33% in this position. So thank goodness I didn't put a ton of money, but I'm down $16.83. I think I put $20 or $25 into it. I think this is the one. No, it's not that one. Anyway, so overall, all my positions are still down. Serve Robotics, again, it was up 9.54%, but I'm still down 47.09%. And then on the crypto side, you see here, overall, I'm still down 18.42% or $124.61. So crypto is not really performing that great. XRP, I'm barely up. You see I'm up 5.28%, which again, for crypto, that's a negative because these gains should be in the double digits. So, or $16.58. So crypto is not really doing that well. Bitcoin, I'm in the negatives on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been extremely volatile. At one point, we all know it was worth 7 figures per share, and now it's in 80 something like you just saw. And then Shiba, I have been in the negatives with Shiba from the beginning. It's never gone positive for me, so I think I got in way too high at the time, but I plan to hold it and see what happens. You see here I'm down 52.36%, and then Ethereum I'm down 45.15%. So yes, crypto is definitely not doing good in my portfolio. All right, so that's the update for this week, with the highlight being the D-Wave Quantum stock with that really high 47% increase. And I will catch you next week. Bye.